Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Do you want to make the website you still struggling? So what you just go to the Google and type Google search. This one is a Google one. You can click on the link. Okay, it goes to here. So now you will be able to what kind of a website you can make it over here. What native mobile app shall be designed? What will be the you can develop your app and web as well. Okay, so that Flash at the moment is I call it's free. Okay, so it's currently we no need to sign up and all. So you can I just trying to type the what is website I need. I want to type uh, create a website for create a website for digital marketing company. Create a website for digital marketing company as a professional one, as a professional sector, as a professional, as a profession. Let's check the output. Now it switched like to here. Okay, so here create a website professional. So what I'm going to see here we have a lot of things. Okay, now I'm going to click. Okay, you have to wait until the things created. If you have any changes, you can ask it here. Would you like to change any to create? Okay, now here the site is creating. What you plan, the color, and it asking the colors and all. Color you can check color, primary color, blue, secondary color, orange. Now here it generating some output. So design, so generating the screen. So let's select one here. Uh, the primary color. So it's still creating out white here. Now you can see the every pages are creating here. But wait until the things is get completed. Now you can see here there's a pages is created. So let's play out. Also, it is implemented the preview as well. Okay, this is how your website look like. Okay, this is how your page look like. You can see the preview as well. This how your page look like. Your desktop it's a mobile. This one is a new tab. If you open up the new tab, you can see like this the preview. The desktop. Okay, if you go to that tab, this one is a mobile. This one. Okay, so this is how we can make the simple web pages. Okay, so the direct link, you can get the direct link as well. You can see the direct link as a preview. Here, this is your website. Okay, this is how the website you can create it by a complete AI. You will be able to change the text and all everything. You will be able to edit here. Okay, you will be able to, if you want, you will be basically editable. Click on it, you will be able to edit. These are the things it's available. So here, okay, you will be able to what is the thing you need. You will be able to edit text. Okay, so you can go to the previous screen and you will be able to. There is a features we will be able to edit. Thank you for watching.